Hello everyone. Today we are going to explore a fascinating case study in change management, the transformation of Udemy, one of the world's largest online learning platforms. Over the next 5 minutes, we will examine Udemy's current challenges, their proposed solutions, and exactly how they are managing this complex organizational change. Let's begin with understanding Udemy's current position in the market. Udemy was founded in 2010 as a global online learning marketplace. Today, it offers over 210,000 courses across technical, business, and creative fields. The platform operates on a unique model where independent instructors create content, while learners can either purchase individual courses or subscribe through Udemy businesses. Now, here what's particularly interesting about Udemy's scale. They currently serve 80 million users worldwide, have 17,200 enterprise clients, but despite this massive reach, they reported net losses of $80 million in 2024. Let me walk you through Udemy's four critical challenges. First, outdated content. Imagine taking a Python programming course that still teaches version 2.0 when the industry has moved to 3.9. According to internal surveys, 62% of learners abandon courses because of this exact problem. Second, certificate value. While competitors like Coursera have partnerships with universities and companies like Google, only 12% of employers recognize Udemy certificates that compare to 70% for Coursera credentials. Third, issues. Udemy recently cut revenue shares from 30% to 50%, driving away top teachers. Unlike LinkedIn Learning, which carefully vets instructors, anyone can teach on Udemy, leading to inconsistent quality. Finally, financial instability. Despite spending $192 million on marketing in 2024, they are struggling to retain users. Their stock dropped 8.5% after the CEO change, showing investor doubt. So, how is Udemy planning to transform? They are shifting from a simple course marketplace to a skills validation platform. Here's their five-part strategy. First, accredited certifications through university partnerships. Second, AI powered content updates and personalized learning. Third, a new elite instructor program with 70% revenue share. Fourth, expanded corporate training features. Fifth, value based pricing instead of constant discount. For example, soon a Python course might include an official AWS cloud certification, making it much more valuable for careers. They are also using AI to automatically flag outdated content, something competitors like LinkedIn Learning already do successfully. Now, any major change could create ripple effects. Udemy instructors, the backbone of their platform, are nervous about new quality requirements. Learners used to cheap courses might resist higher prices for accredited programs. Employees facing recent layoffs need reassurance. Their solution: a tiered incentive system for instructors, freemium options for learners, and transparent communication across the board. They are even using brown paper fairs, collaborative workshops where teams can voice concerns and co create solutions. Here is how Udemy is actually implementing these changes. They have adopted objectives and key results to align everyone from executives to individual contributors. Using the Better Work platform, they have already seen goal completion rates from jumps from 65% to 85%. Their approach combines leadership commitment from the top, waterfall communication through all levels, pilot programs before full rollout, data driven decision making, culture reinforcement through training. For example, by testing AI recommendations with just 10% of courses first, they reduced learner complaints by 35% before expanding. In conclusion, Udemy's transformation shows how even successful companies must adapt. By addressing content quality, certification value, and instructor relationships while carefully managing stakeholder impacts, they are working to secure their future in the competitive online education market. Thank you for joining me in this deep down. I love to hear your thoughts. What other strategies could help Udemy succeed in their transformation?